And welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Let me just get a jacket. I was wearing a little bathing suit out there for a second. I still have it on. But I'm gonna put one on.
Hey.
So you gotta be
What's going on here?
Be what? Yeah, that's bacon.
All right.
So what I'm gonna do, guys, is a bacon ziti. This is just a bathing suit top that I have.
All
guys.
right.
It's hot outside. Just thinking about going to the pool later.
Let's go.
What I'm saying? I'm gonna do a couple of laps and
Lap it up.
Yeah. Just join the pool. Well, so what I'm gonna do? This is Ziti.
All right.
And I bought this plastic container.
For how much?
At a store that we have.
A thrift store, to be exact.
For $1 at a thrift store.
That's right.
And I put my pasta there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do how many cups of pasta?
1 cup.
3 cups.
Oh, was that one?
For Junior.
So 2.
You know he's gonna be
3.
hungry. 1
Uno.
cup. Move.
First
Ah,
speakers,
crap.
dose.
2.
All right. And
Tres.
Is it trace or
Tres.
Is it trace or trace?
Tres.
Okay.
And then the rest of it that I see, I'm gonna put it back in my container.
That's right, because it's dry.
That
We don't
doesn't
waste
make
food in this house.
Yeah, we don't waste food in this house. That doesn't make
No
me dirty
waste,
or anything
no
like that. Let me see.
waste.
There's another one around there, Michael.
Nope.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I put 3 cups of my pasta.
All right.
Let me see. This is how I have my
Boy,
It's in a jar.
Oh, let's
and
check
I
on
got
the...
my rice in a jar, but then
All
the
right.
boys haven't taken this.
All right.
And put it in that jar, and then I got
I will,
my
Mama.
frosted flakes in a jar. And
That's right.
sauce.
Yeah.
Well, anyways.
All right.
So we're gonna come here. This is how I want to explain you guys what I'm gonna be doing.
Explain now, explain now.
Hey, Mike, you gotta shut up, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I already put salt in the water, so these are gonna be boiled.
And what kind of ziti are we making?
It's gonna be bacon.
Bacon.
Ziti, yes.
Bacon ziti.
Look, I think your dog took one of the old noodles that fell down. I saw her finish it eating that. But you eating a pasta?
Did she eat it?
A raw noodle? Yeah, look at her. Look. Thinking that I'm not giving you nothing, Ginger.
Oh, she ate it.
Yeah, she ate that. She might have the runs later. Just keep an eye on her. She'll be fine.
Did she really?
Doing that. Okay, so this is my bacon, and you see the bacon there?
Oh, yeah.
And you see that bacon fat? I'm going to use that same bacon fat to mix it, to put it in the ziti when
Mix
it's done.
it up, mix
then
it.
I have sauce here. You see?
All right.
This is the pasta sauce that I made, not made
Let me
myself.
check. All right.
Didn't made it myself, but that sauce.
Ooh, it's hot.
So what I did was, this is the sauce that I bought. These are 89 cents in the store.
All right.
They're Hunt's, but you see, this is
Premium
traditional
Hunt's.
pasta sauce,
Premium.
which it has already the garlic and the tomatoes. You can see the peppers.
All right.
So it has the condiments for the taste for pasta, right? Or for
Yeah.
it's gonna be telling for. So what I do is
Taste
I
it
usually
now,
put
taste it
a little bit of oil in a pan, and I put some parsley in there and some garlic. And then I just put the sauce in, and I put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, because we like a little bit of sugar, and then just let it simmer 10-15 minutes. And this is how it comes out like that. It's delicious. Michael had it, because I made Michael some 5 cheese ravioli, as you can see it over here.
Ooh, that's right.
That's what the boys.
I love the cheese, love the
That's what Michael had.
cheese.
So now the only one left to feed is little Jimmy Jr.
That's right.
Yeah, here we go. Did I put 3 cups here of pasta?
Yes,
Are you burping, boys?
I had to. Had no
Why are you
choice.
trying to disrespect me like that? Hold on a second.
Sorry,
I have
Mama.
to get some of that grease. More.
From where? From the bacon?
From the bacon.
All right.
Yes.
Bacon time, bacon time.
Let's just lower that.
Ooh.
Be careful.
Look at that bacon, guys.
Because I'm gonna need
Careful,
that
Mama.
grease.
Look at her. She's a pro, guys. Look at
I
that.
want that grease.
Look at that. Look
I'm
at
gonna
that.
need it for.
Look at that, guys. She's a pro.
Later.
Don't
See?
try this at home if you're not experienced.
No, you don't want to get
Okay,
burned.
kids.
And then the bacon
And
is
adults.
starting to cook, but now there's bacon. So I'm gonna crush it. I'm gonna dice it. The
Dice it
bacon
now,
and
dice it
the grease, I'm gonna
now.
use it later.
All right.
So now I'm gonna let you guys go until this pasta is al dente. Al
All right.
dente means
It's almost
now
done.
when the pasta is already done, and it looks like it needs like 5 seconds more.
Right.
You have to remember that when you drain pasta,
Drink.
It's still cooking.
Oh, you mean drain?
No, I said drain.
Ah.
Excuse me. And it's still cooking, so you don't want to overcook pasta.
That's
so
right.
Al dente is almost, when it's almost done, then you take it off, you let it smoke there in your, in your strainer. I'll show you later.
All right.
Maybe I won't tell, but I'll show you later how to do it. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
Like us on Facebook.
On Google Plus, on Tumblr, on
Everywhere.
everywhere. We got Pinterest,
Patreon,
we have
Life's Abundance. We got it all.
.com/for all. That'll be our link.
Hit
You
the
can
link
go to
down
it,
below.
and you can pick up your treats or your dog foods. They have dog food from little guys.
That's right.
To large guys, and everything that they work is organic and the best.
The best,
And they'll
guys.
explain you how
And
you're
gals.
buying garbage food in some supermarkets and other stores. So just look at it and compare it and take it from there, okay? Don't take my word for it. Just compare it for yourself. Don't forget to come right back, and we're gonna finish this delicious. Look at that bacon getting crispy.
Ooh, bacon now, bacon.
City and bacon, bacon city. So
now.
see you in 10 minutes. Bye now. It's been dumped, and it's just waiting to be mixed and chopped up with this bacon that I'm gonna chop here. And this other bacon that is in here in the oven. You wanna come over here, Michael?
All right.
So I'm gonna take it out for a second and take out the parts that look that I can chop. And then I'm gonna put it back in. Let me put this on 420 because I will like this.
Bacon
Go
time, bacon
faster.
time.
See that piece?
That's right.
What do you think? Still needs, right? A little more time.
All right.
But some of it
It's good.
is good to chop like that. Hold on. It has to be with a knife. There you go. Pieces that are done, I can take them out. Pieces that are not done, you go back in. Right, Mike?
That's right.
That's right. Michael said that's right. Mom. That's right, moms. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I want you guys to follow me. I put that, see, on
420.
420. I'll see you in 3 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, we're back, right, guys? So
That's
I have
right.
a pan over there on high. I haven't put any oil, but I'm gonna take 2 slices of this red onion. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it like this across, and then I'm gonna turn it over.
Cut it up, cut it up. And red onion, right? Not white
Yeah,
or yellow.
not red, because the red has a little bit of a kick to it. Kind of like I'm not gonna say spicy, but kind of like you guys know what I'm talking about.
Like an acidity.
So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna put this in here.
Put it in, put it in, put it in. What next?
And then we're gonna put a little bit of the fat of the bacon. This is fat of
Oh,
that bacon.
that's pure bacon fat. See that, everybody?
See that onion?
So bacon fat, right, Mom?
Bacon fat, yes.
Look at that. You know what that actually looks?
Pretty. I'm gonna lower a little bit. Because we gotta cut all that stuff.
Oh,
We gotta cut this bacon. Come here.
cut it up, cut it up.
No, you see how it's getting chopped up
Yes.
with the
And
knife?
what kind of bacon is this?
Oh, this is
Smoked?
no,
Or apple,
it was applewood bacon,
there you go. All right.
which I think that's the best bacon though. Actually,
It is.
You know.
Tell us
Yes.
down below what kind of bacon you
Its
guys
own
like.
grease, but that's how we need to
The
do
worst
it.
bacon is black pepper bacon. Ugh.
I see these onions how they're going over here.
Chop it down, chop it down.
See that?
Yes, you do.
And when you start smelling,
The onions. And the bacon grease.
they like that. Okay? Now we're gonna put
Grease,
this up high. Let's get it
bacon,
right.
grease.
I'm gonna eat a little pieces of that. How's that?
All right. How's it taste?
The bacon delicious.
All right. Yes.
Here's the bacon, people.
Bacon now, bacon now.
We're first gonna put
Pasta.
pasta in.
All right.
We're gonna do it little by little, okay?
Okay. And you want to put it in little by little because you don't want to.
Well, you know
well-
what I'm talking about. When I say little by little, you wanna like them to separate the noodles.
Right.
I didn't want to put any grease on the noodles when I drain them because if I put grease, then it was gonna get more grease with this grease
That's right.
that I had to put in the pan.
Right.
So now, how that looks.
Already good.
Wonderful.
But you forgot the most important ingredient.
I'm gonna put all that bacon in there.
go.
Yeah. Bacon bits.
Stir it up, stir it up. This is good for lunchtime, dinner time, as a snack,
And then you're gonna put a little bit more of
appetizer.
I have tomato sauce over there, but that's up to my son if he wants to, you know, put any sauce. He probably will later on. And then this. Does it need some salt and pepper?
No,
Yeah, a little bit.
that is perfect.
No salt and pepper?
A little.
You know it does.
Little salt, little pepper. Salt it up, salt it up. Oh yeah. All right.
You salt it, flavors, you know, they get in there, you know. All right.
All right.
A little bit more pepper.
All right.
And let's do something special. A little bit of garlic powder. And
All
this
right.
is not the garlic powder that is actually, says here, it's not this Kirkland. Me and Michael buy it by
Granulated
the pound.
garlic.
Right, Mike?
That's right.
We buy it by the pound. It's one of the best.
At our special supermarket,
they
of which
have
we do not name.
spices. Yes, I don't want to get in trouble. That
No,
you
you won't.
can get by the pound.
That's right.
We buy it in little baggies.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? But I put it in the container. Oh my
Yes.
God, Michael. Here,
Say
have
that.
a noodle.
You can say that.
Have a noodle. Tell me how it is now. It's perfect.
Now
right?
that's better.
Perfect.
Oh,
Right?
yes.
Okay, so this is your ziti and bacon.
Yes.
So this is done.
Yes.
That's what it's gonna look like, guys. There's
Oh.
sauce here, and there these are some bagel chips that I made.
All right.
Okay, that my son can have, and this is some sauce if he wants to put sauce on top of it.
That's right.
But if he doesn't choose to, let's put it in here so it can look pretty.
All right.
Like we always do, right, Mike?
That's right.
We're always trying to make stuff
Pretty.
look. Wait, if I hold this rod in a certain way, I can do the whole thing without getting burnt. There you go, like that. Okay?
Expert.
Look how beautiful that is with those delicious.
Bring it on over.
I am gonna put it over there.
Bring it over. Bring it over.
This is how it's gonna look. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this, and I hope you guys enjoy eating it too. I hope you guys make or duplicate the order that I just made, because I know you guys will love that. Trust me.
Oh, yes.
These are dishes that are exquisite. You know, that pack of bacon that I put in there cost me $2.99, $3. And that was 3 cups of City. 4 cups of City make a whole pound. That's not even a pound, almost a pound of City. And that would have been $4. And you can say like $6, $7 with a little piece of onion and whatever. That's what it costs. And with that meal there, you can feed 4 people.
That's
With
right.
Good amounts. And some bread. If you don't have bread, you can take some bread out of your fridge, cut it up in pieces, throw some olive oil or some regular oil, whatever you have, salt, pepper, put it in the oven. You can make breadsticks with it.
That's
So
right.
with that, I'm going to let you guys go. You guys know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and do all that good stuff. Love us like we love you. If you want to donate $1, donate $1. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Or if you want to get some dog food, it's actually lifesabundance.com/for all. That will be our link to go to if you want to get something for the little fussy animals that we all love and have at home. So with that, I'm going to let you go. Don't drink and drive. You know the rules. Love you. Eat your bacon and ziti.